Hello and welcome. I am Matt Taylor and this is my variety channel. Today I have another Elden Ring video for you. I am going to show you how to beat Alecto, the Black Knife ringleader. And then in return you'll get the Black Knife Tiche Summons, which most people think is the best summons in the game. It's my favorite summons. I think it's the most powerful. And then the Mimic tier also is right up there. A lot of people debate between the two. I really like the Black Knife. So I'm going to show you how to get it super easy in the game. And you can do this really early on in the game if you want. I'm going to show you from the gate front here in Limgrave. And we're going to go all the way around the castle. I still haven't even got to the castle yet. I haven't beaten Margit. But I'm going to show you how to get around the castle and get to the spot where you need to. And then get you on top of the Moonlight Altar where the Black Knife Tiche is. And if you don't know where the gate front is, you can just start here at the first step and just go straight north pretty much and you'll find the gate front. And we're going to follow this path around and we're going to go to this bridge over here. I'm going to just put a little mark there. And then we're going to go around the castle. I'll put little beacon marks. I'll just put little marks. So if you've already gotten to this location here, then you can just fast travel over there and just skip this part of the video. Or if you just want to try to are having a hard time, maybe it's later on in the game and you're having a hard time beating Black Knife Tiche or Alecto, you can just skip ahead and you can just go right to the battle if you want. There'll be timestamps down in the description. Alright, so I'm going to get on my horse and I will speed this up a bit and get you over to the next part. Make sure to pick up this golden seed if you haven't already. And here is the shack. You can rest there and pick up that grace. There may or may not be, there might be an NPC here if this is your first time coming, then make sure to talk to that NPC. And then when you come back, there'll be a golden seed there as well. Pick that up. Keep on cruising underneath this bridge, and we'll go over to this bridge. You don't have to talk to that finger lady if you don't want to. And here we are right there on the bridge, and just come on down and go up around on this trail here, and this will take you around the castle. Bypassing the castle. And as far as I know, if you bypass the castle like this, it's not going to ruin anything for any quests, future quests. And make sure to pick up the graces along the way if you don't already have them. And then here is a little church here. There's an NPC in there that you want to talk to. This is the Church of Irith. If you haven't done it already, make sure to go in there and talk to him. He'll give you a little quest to do. And now we're going to turn left and go down this trail. Go past this camp. If you want to pick up the loot in there, you can. Pick up this grace right there. You can talk to that merchant if you want. Go across the lake. There's a map right there. Just be careful. There's a bunch of dudes, nasty creatures guarding that map. And if it's early on for you, then you will probably get demolished by these guys. Oh, knocked me off my horse. I gotta get back on. Keep on cruising through the ruins, and then just follow that path that I showed. And we're going to go across the lake towards the mountains there. And go around the mountains. There's another grace that you can pick up. And here we go. We are right here at the converted tower. So again, if you already have the converted tower, you can just fast travel right to that. Or of course, if you already have access to Moonlight Altar, then just skip ahead and go right to the battle. There is a loot that you can pick up, a glintstone that you can get. Alright, so here we go. This is the early method to get up on top of the Moonlight Altar. And so you're going to just ride over to this area right before the Erd tree is. You don't go that far, and there's this little dude right up there on top of that rock, and he has poison, and we want to get him to poison us. If you are on your horse, it's a lot harder. Like, you can dodge him and try to, and he'll hit you, but it's a lot harder to get the poison on you if you're on the horse. So I'm going to be off my horse and just bring up a shield and just block his attacks and just stick close to him. And then eventually he'll get the poison on you. It might take a couple tries before you get all the way poisoned. All right, here we go. Once you are already poisoned, all the way poisoned, hop on your horse. And we're going to take that all the way up this ramp, this rock ramp. And you're going to jump off onto the side of the cliff. There's some ledges there, and get to the very top. And get off your horse and just sit right there against the wall. And then we're going to let the poison do its thing. And here it is on the map, exactly where you want to be. And then once you die, kind of a weird game glitch is with the Stake of America. If you pick that, it's going to let you revive. So make sure to click the Stake of America. And when you do that, it's going to revive you on top of the Moonlight Altar. Here we are. And that is how you gain access to Alecto, the Black Knife Ringleader, super early on in the game. Like, you could do this right away at the very beginning if you wanted to. But make sure you have a shield. You're going to want a shield. I like to use the brass shield or this other shield, this wood shield. Just run over here and we will go down to the Ringleader's Evergold. Enter the Evergold. And that purple area right there is where the Black Knife Ringleader Alecto is going to spawn out of. But we're not going to worry about that. We're going to just run over here to the left. And there's these rock outcroppings. And you're going to want to stand. You're going to kind of stand right over here by these rocks. And we want to kind of trap her over there if we can. That's the method, is try to trap her over there. So make sure you use the shield. Oh, she killed me. 2 hits. Boom. I don't have a lot of health. So look at that. You just got to be very careful, because just a couple hits from her and I'm going to be toast. So just use the Stake America, and I'm going to show you again kind of what I have as far as my status. Level 37, Vigor 23, Mind 11, Endurance 17, Strength 20, Dexterity 20. But you don't have to have all those stats yet. You don't have to be at that high level. But you might want to try to get that shield. You can farm those guys at the gate front to try to pick up this brass shield, because that's a really good shield for this. And so let's go back down to the Evergold and give this another try. All right, here we go. Again, let's run over to the rocks over here. You can pick up your runes if you have lost runes. I had 0 runes there, so it's fine. Okay, put that shield up. She got me 1 hit. Boom. Got a couple hits on her. Again, she went around me and got me. So I just showed you how quick that she can kill you. Okay, this is my 3rd try. So it might take you a few tries to get her to maneuver into the spot where we need her. All right, maybe I'll drink my physic. That'll help maybe a little bit. I just have endurance on the physic. That'll help a little bit. All right, let's run on over to this spot again. I've tried other spots along the rocks, and this is the one that works the best for me. Come on down, and let's just try to block her. Kind of maneuver your way around, and make sure you have your target on her. Oh, there we go. We got her up there. Oh, she is out of the spot. Again, and drink potions as necessary. Just try to push her. There we go. We got her down there. She's going to come up probably. Right there. Now we got her in the spot. Now, some weird AI reason, a glitch or whatnot, she won't get out of this spot as long as you use the fast strike. Do not use your heavy attack. Just use your fast strike. And make sure you have your shield up continually. And just do a little strike, and she'll just stay right in there the whole time, and she won't be able to hit you anymore, which is really cool. So call it a cheese, call it a glitch, call it a genius strategy, but that is how you do it. All right, and you just keep wailing on her, and eventually you will get her down, and then she will die. Pretty awesome. I wasn't the first one to discover this. When I had a hard time doing this, I found a lot of different videos of the general idea of doing this, and I just found out what worked for me, which was this spot right here. So there you go. Keep on doing that, wailing her down, and she will die. Pretty awesome. And once you have failed the enemy, you will get your Black Knife Tiche Summons. Now, the Black Knife Tiche Summons takes like 132 FP. So you need to have your mind up to like 23 in order to summon her. So chances are you may not even be able to summon her this early on. But who knows? You might have already upgraded your mind to that point already. Totally, or you can just do some farming, or just keep going on in the game until you level up to that spot. But if you do it early on the game, you'll have her for a lot of the game, which will be a lot of really awesome. Or if you just needed that, maybe you're late in the game and you're just having trouble beating her, there you go. I hope you found this video helpful. Give the video a thumbs up. It'll really help me out. Subscribe if you like. Take care, and happy gaming, everyone. Take care and happy gaming, everyone.